So today I have for you Chile de Arbol, okay? So here I have about a pound and a half of Chile de Arbol that we're going to toast. I also have 2 onions and 2 whole garlics, okay? Here I have 6 pounds of tomatillos that we're going to boil. Be right back to show you how to toast them. Okay, so here we're going to do only half a batch each, okay? So we can be able to toast these correctly. I'm probably going to have to do 3 batches, okay? And we're just going to toast these up. Okay. At this time, we're going to put the tomatillos to boil. And while those are boiling, we're going to toast these, but we got to have it on a medium simmer so they don't burn. Okay, once they have turned toasted, we're going to put them in our blenders and we're going to blend. Okay, so we got to keep an eye on these while they go. So remember, tomatillos boil. Okay, so here I have the first batch toasted. Now I'm over here working on my second batch, okay? So we're going to do 3 batches since it's quite a lot, okay? And then we're going to continue these to boil, okay? In our blender here, we are going to add our roasted Chile de Arbol, okay? And you do it by batch because you want to make it into powder. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and blend. That's how I'm going to cook in. Technical failures here. Be right back. Or a serving container where we can actually put it into whatever extra containers you need after that. Please put it away from your nose or else it would make this mess, which I'm about to do. So now we add it into here. Okay. Okay. And then we're going to keep adding for the next batch, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and blend until it turns into powder again. So let's go. second batch done. Go ahead and add it in here. Whatever pieces you see that are still whole, you just want to bring it out and put it into the blender. That's why we try not to overpack the blender, because then they don't want to come down, okay? Okay, so as you guys can see here, it's kind of dark, but that's the way it looks. Then we're gonna go ahead and take out, like this one's here. Let's see, here's another one. Just add it in. Then another one. Otherwise you could leave it, but that's the way we're gonna do it. Okay, last batch for the night is here. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and blend this to shreds. It's a little spicy. Okay. Okay. So that's it for that part. Now we're going to do some tomatillos that we have here that's been sitting already. We're going to go ahead and pop some into our blender. Be very careful that they're still intact. I want to put only a few in. Okay, because you want to do these in batches. And this calls for a big batch, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do it like that. We're going to add it back to the top of our blender. Okay. And we're going to add our whole onion, which is 2. And then we're going to add a bunch of garlic. We're going to add half of the salt here and this one. And we're going to go ahead and blend, okay? Go ahead and add it to our powder mixture, okay? way you want your guys' chilies to turn out, powdery, okay? This is the first batch. So let's go ahead and continue the rest, and I will show you the end of how much I have. Last batch, y'all. Okay, so this was the first liquid, and see how the powder, that's how we want it. So let's go ahead and mix this up so you can see how it looks. Okay, and we're still got another batch of tomatillos to boil. So let's go ahead and give this a mix. Get a close-up of what I'm doing here. Okay. Okay, so this is with the first batch of tomatillos that were blended. So we're gonna keep blending more, but for now I want to mix all the tomatillos and the chiles, okay? Because this is really thick consistency, so okay. So we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of the tomatillos. Okay. Be very careful. Try not to squeeze as much of the juices out of these things. Okay. Might need to do a third batch, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do that. Add some more. Add the rest of our salt. And let's go ahead and blend. Okay. Oh, how I missed my blender. Okay, with that being done, let's go ahead and pour it to our mixture. Okay. So let's go ahead and mix. Let me go ahead and bring it a little closer, okay? Can you guys see that? Let me prop you up. Maybe not. Guess we'll do it that way. Guess that's as close as you get. See? Now this is how it's looking, and then we still have one more tomatillo to put in. Okay. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see the color of it? So beautiful, right? Okay, now let's go ahead and add the next batch of tomatillos. This time I'm going to keep you down here close to me, okay? So, let's go ahead and add the next one. Okay. And then let's go ahead and blend her. Okay. Let's see. Get you back a little. No. Just gonna put you there then. Okay, let's go. Time to blend. So I'm going to go ahead and move her out of the way. And we're going to go ahead and bring this one back. Can you guys see that? Look at that beautiful color. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Now let's go ahead and add the rest of her in it. Okay, let's give her a good mix. Make sure it's all incorporated. Oh yes, I'm gonna can me some of this salsa. Okay, so since we're done mixing her, I'm gonna pour her in a little bit in here so we can do a taste run. She might need a little bit of salt, but we shall see. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that. Okay, so there are those. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a taste run, okay, you guys? To see if it needs any salt, anything that we can change up, okay? Bon appetit. So it needs a little salt. So I'm going to bring it back over here, and we're just going to add a little, okay? It doesn't need that much. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same. And then we're done. That's all she calls for. A good salsa de arbol for any type of carne. Any type of frijoles, burritos, tortas. This is it. That's how you guys would want it. That's how it should be done, our style. Well, have a good night, you guys, and enjoy your weekend, your week, and may God bless you guys. Bye!